Hello again, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make buttermilk scones. Yes, let's cut through the ingredients and get started. Right here I have 3 cups of self-raising flour, 300 ml of buttermilk. You also need extra for brushing it, okay? And I'm using a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a pinch of salt, which is 1/4 teaspoon, okay? So first of all, I'll mix all my dry ingredients, which is the baking soda, the salt, and the sugar. I'll stir this or combine this. After combining this properly, I will then add my butter and then rub it in. Alright, at this point, I'm adding my buttermilk. I will add this gradually, okay? So I've added part of it. I'll massage it in. Go ahead and add the rest. Massage it in properly, okay? Yes, now my dough is formed. Look at that, it looks so fluffy and beautiful. Yes, whenever you use self-raising flour for making your scones or pie, it gets so fluffy and crunchy as well. That's my dough right there. So now I'll get my rolling board, sprinkle a little bit of flour on that, and take part of my dough on there. This time you don't need a rolling pin. With your fingertips, just press the dough down, okay? Not too much because we don't want that to be flat like the way you make pie. Now I'm using my cookie cutter to cut this into my preferred size. You can use a smaller one or a bigger one than what I am using. Right, then after cutting it, I will then transfer it onto my lined baking tray. Sprinkle more flour on the board, take a part of the dough again. Using my fingertips, I'll just press this down, 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 and then I'll cut it using my cooking cutter again. So I'll repeat the same process until I finish working out all my dough. Right, so at this point here I have my scones. I'll go ahead and brush the top with some buttermilk. Make sure you buttermilk brush all of it, okay? Yes. So while I am doing this, my oven is also preheating, okay, at 120 degrees. That's it. I've finished brushing it. It's time to bake. All right, so I'll go ahead and bake those at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my scones is ready. Buttermilk scones is ready. It's so easy and simple as that. Guys, that's it for today's video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and also turn off your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you. Bye bye.